Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Hafizuddin Hazim bin Bakhtiar. My student ID is 2020891682. I am here to present our analysis in study area. First of all, these slides are arranged according to the table of content that has been provided. Firstly, introduction. Students are required to conduct the analysis on the given area. Students then need to produce a plan and illustration to support the analysis. For objective, to collect data of elementary on study area, and for the aim, data and result need to be updated according to the.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nasir bin Muhammad Salihin, and today I want to present about site background of our site. So the state of the site is at Perak Darul Rizwan, Mukim Bota District, Perak Tengah. The area of the site is 50 hectare. The nearest city is Batu Gajah, about 20 km, Ipoh 33 km, and Manjung 37 km. The category of land use is agricultural and vacant land. Local authority is Perak Tengah District Council, and land ownership is Perbadanan Kemajuan Perak. Okay, the slope of the site is about 0% to 5% because the site is flat, so they can support any construction with minimal earthwork and industrial use, and the site also serve for building development as the area does not have gradient which is high.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fakhur Naim Ramli. Today I will present about elevation. Definition of that: height above a given level, especially at the sea level. This area have a very suitable to doing development as residential area. They have a low elevation because of its variety of lands. Area also have a very suitable for doing development as residential area, and have a medium elevation because it is about slope analysis. It is necessary to do activities in that area, such as water tanks, the contour value of 30 meters. And above of lands to toe of the land in the area is high ground. The land layout is ideal for any building at the contour value with between 31 meters and 32 meters. The landform in the area is flat and there no would be issues. 3. The land structure is not ideal for any building at the contour value 30 meters and 31 meters because soil sediment can easily occur. However, construction can still be done in this area, but land filling needs to be done.
Is geology. The type of geology is paleontology. The paleontology is seals that from remains plants, animals, fungi, bacteria, single-cell living things that have been replaced by rock material or impressions of organisms preserved in rock. Type of soil that can be found at this site is laterite soil and clay soil. As you know, laterite is commonly considered to have formed in hot and wet tropical areas, and the clay soil is quite sticky since there is not much space between the mineral particles.
About the hydrology is this site has a puddle of water on the edge of lake, and in the middle of the site that is when it's wet, or the water will flow toward the lake. This site also have some of dream pattern. The climate is, the diagram show the month average of weather at Sri Iskandar. The average weather from January to June is rising while it was decreased from July to December. For minimum weather in January has record for the lowest temperature of 26.9 Celsius. For maximum weather is in April, May and June that was record for the highest temperature of the other month which was 27.8 Celsius.
This slide is a vegetation. For the color of light green is a coconut grass by 7.6 hectares. The color of dark green is a bush by 6.6 hectares. And the color of green is a palm trees by 17.9 hectares. The percentage of vegetation on the site is the coconut grass is a 12.7%. The bush is 11.6%, and the palm trees is a 13.9%. For the next slide is the fauna. There are no endangered animals in this area, and the animal habitat will not be threatened by upcoming construction. As a result, the project on this site will proceed smoothly.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Aiman Rosman. Today I will be presenting the cultural element. Firstly, we have the accessibility. In the accessibility, we have the main road, local road, and the future road. Main road is in the Bandar University is the busiest road among the type of road because this way is to go to Ipoh and Toronto. Local road is mainly used to aircraft park for people to go to commercial and public facilities. Future road is the access which is still under construction, located 0.5 meter from the site area. The existing land use and committed development. Definition: a committed development is one of have achieved a full of outline planning permission and is located in the adopted development plan. In the basement we have the residential, electric substation, undeveloped area, committed development and natural area. For the residential, terrace detached house developed better as chart soil type is suitable for commercial development, and committed development they wanted to build more residential in the area. Next, we have the existing attraction at surrounding area. In the slide, we have the bus station, petrol station, Bandar University Lakeside Residential, Billion Shopping Mall, Iskandar Pedak Section 3 Residential, Surau As-Siddiq, and lastly is your ATM Iskandar. Next is existing infrastructure and activities. In our site, it don't have any existing infrastructure and activities such as electric station. But beside the area, we have the future road. The electric station is supplied to the residential quality. Definition: environment quality is such as properties and characteristics in the environment, either generalized or locate as they impulse or human being and other organs. Is measure of the condition of an environment related to the requirement of the one piece and human purpose. In the area we have the noise pollution. There has a committed development which cause noise pollution happening because of the outdoor caused by machine. And lastly, we have the water pollution. This area features a contaminated water, which has adjacent development. Beside our side, there is 4 types of adjacent development. Firstly is residential, second fisher road, third is community development, and lastly is forest. Next, we have the surrounding development. Surrounding development is the development that has been built in radius 3 kilometers away from the site. Firstly, we have the commercial, such as petrol pump, residential as housing, public places such as bus station, and infrastructure and utilities such as water tank.
Aesthetic element. The natural feature near the site is the lake. The lake is about 0.48 km away from the site. The lake has an area of 88.49 hectares. This is a benefit for anglers who live near the lake and want to spend time fishing. Analysis. For the slide, this is the strength and the weakness. For the strength is the land is suitable for residential area and near to the city. The weakness is about noise pollution, and the industrial area for this site is cannot be developed. Next slide is the opportunities and threat. For the opportunities is the study area is adjacent to a lake and near to the facilities, and for the threat is here will be habitat of wildlife such as monkey.
Land suitability. From overlay map, we believe that this site is suitable for building a residential development because they don't have any major problem to build the development. This is because the site has a low average height and allows for cut and feed. Our group had found the potential and constraint from this analysis. The potential at the study area suit to the development such a residential area, surau rakan muda complex, and multi-purpose hall. This is other potential in study area. For the constraint, we have found 9 things may be obstacle to the development in this area.
In conclusion, this site is suitable for residential development. It is because site visiting has been done to collect all the data on site and transform into the analysis. It is to make sure that residential development can be done in proper way and good layout plan can be produced for upcoming future development. Site analysis has been all the elements important in ensure that land is utilized and functionally efficient, sustainably, pristine, and environmentally sustainable.